Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on Instagram live notifications. What you need to do, first just go to Instagram app and then just click in the button right in your picture. After that, just click on the three lines on the top right and then settings. After that, notifications, and then live and IGTV. And now you see here IGTV video uploads, it's off. Just turn it on. This is what you need to do if you want to turn on Instagram live notifications. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.